There's this strange thing that happens sometimes when we interact with others. You meet someone, and out of nowhere, your thoughts vanish. Your voice falters, your confidence quietly slips away. And when it's over, you're left wondering, why did I feel so small and so unsure of myself? It's not because you're unintelligent. The truth runs deeper, woven into the subtle threads of human connection. It begins with the quiet trap of comparison. Someone speaks with certainty, confident, smooth, articulate, and suddenly your mind measures itself against them. But you should know knowledge in one area doesn't mean wisdom in all. The sea, after all, is deep in different places. Then comes the illusion of perfection. Some people present only the finished product of their thoughts. You see the polished surface, never the hours of doubt and confusion beneath. But every mind wanders, every mind stumbles in the dark before it finds its way to clarity. You're not alone in that. There's also the silence that grows from being interrupted. When someone cuts you off, speaks over you, or doesn't wait for your thoughts to take shape, you begin to question its value. But the doubt isn't real. It's a reflection of their inability to listen. And sometimes there is condescension. The slow drip of someone explaining what you already know, or simplifying your thoughts into something smaller. It's not superior knowledge that creates that feeling, but the quiet assumption that you couldn't possibly understand. So what do we do with all this? We don't run from it. We learn to see it clearly. These aren't signs of your worth. They're just patterns, habits, and they say more about the other person than they do about you. As Marcus Aurelius once wrote, the opinion of thousands means little if none of them truly understand. Hold on to this. Real wisdom knows its limits. Real intelligence stays curious. And truly valuable minds, those with real depth, they make space for others to rise. You're not made smaller by someone else's light. A candle loses nothing by lighting another. So next time you feel yourself shrinking, remember this. Your value isn't in how you compare. It's in how you grow. If you're finally ready to beat procrastination and level up, join my accountability group, link below.